Por su propio interés, rogamos mantengan sus pertenencias controladas en todo momento.
Please do not leave baggage unattended.
No sabía qué, viene desde lejos, viene acercándose.
The difference in the water has shocked me the most.
That amount of water and also the influx of tourists, anybody can see that that's not enough.
Also nein, ich wusste nicht, dass es auf den Balearen keine Flüsse gibt. Ich wusste auch nicht, dass es keine Seen gibt.
I don't know where you get all the water from.
No, I didn't know you had to desolate the water.
Ich wohne direkt in München, daher die Wasserversorgung kommt, glaube ich, aus den Alpen.
It's just because back home there's a lot of rivers and things like that, you know. Just assume that everywhere else has them.
Because the tourists don't know. I don't know.
Maybe not flush the toilet so many times.
Ya les voy aquí a restringir las duchas a mis amigos de que nada, 2 minutitos y corriendo.
Y no dejar el grifo, ¿no?, en marcha para ayudar a la isla, que es muy guapa y me gusta mucho.
I think when you go to a hotel you think, oh, it's all right, it's not my water and it's not my bill, but you have to consider it for the environment.
I will definitely think about it more so now I've seen this